Today I am cooking Japanese milk bun. It is very easy and simple to make. First, we will mix yeast with warm milk. Make sure yeast should be dissolved nicely. Mix all purpose flour with sugar, and now we'll pour the milk on this and mix it. Add salt and make a nice dough. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes to make it. Now we'll add butter with dough and again mix it. Make a nice buttery dough. It will take around 5 to 6 minutes to make a buttery dough. Cover the dough and keep it aside for 2 hours or until dough become double in size. Now we'll make small size of bun and keep it in baking dish. Cover and keep it side for 30 to 40 minutes. Now apply thin layer of egg and bake it on 180 degree for 18 to 20 minutes. It's soft from inside and it tastes buttery. Enjoy.